Do you find yourself overwhelmed after learning Illustrator tools, but confused how to create impactful design? Are you ready to bridge the gap between your knowledge and real-world application? Introducing the Beginner Illustrator Project Masterclass Design Like a Pro episode number 1, where skill meet real-world challenges. This isn't just another tutorial. This is your path to becoming a real design professional. Embark on a journey through 5 exciting, trending design projects. From crafting dynamic logos to designing captivating social media graphics. We will guide you through each project with step-by-step instruction, providing the experience you need to thrive in the design industry. Each project is designed to challenge and elevate your skills, turning your Illustrator knowledge into professional level creation. Enroll in this class today and transform your Illustrator skills into stunning real-world design. Unlock your potential, design your future.